Guys, sorry if you can't see my face very well. Today's video I'm going to be making slime, and the slime I make in this video I'm going to be giving away. And I have a giveaway winner picked out. So yeah, let's get started. You're going to need a bowl and something to mix with. I have a popsicle stick. You're going to need glue, scent's optional, baking soda, contact lens solution, food coloring's optional. Shaving cream's optional. Stop. And lotion's optional. But yeah, the main ingredients are glue and your activators. Anyways, let's get started. Hopefully you guys can see my bowl. I think you can. Okay, first, you're going to take your glue and put it in. I'm sure you all know how to make slime. Kenzie, what are you looking for?
I'm looking for something I made. It was really long. Not like flowers. Yes, thank you.
Oh, and I will be giving away half of this slime, not the whole slime, because I'm making a really big batch. Bigger than I normally make. So, yeah. Next, you're going to add your shaving cream. Yeah. Sorry. Okay, so I made it like super fluffy, so hopefully who gets this slime will want it fluffy, so
Let's be friends.
okay. Holy, my stick down on something over there. Next, your food coloring is optional. So, whoever's getting the slime, I'm pretty sure they like purple. So we're gonna add some purple paint. Actually, good thing no paint came out because I do not want to use the paint. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get a color. Okay, I have blue paint, so this person likes blue. This is kind of like a scavenger hunt for you guys too, because you want to figure out who it is. So I know this person in person. Her mom's a teacher. Well, I shouldn't say that. But yeah, if you guys like blue, then if you don't like blue, you know this slime isn't for you then. And don't just think you like blue just because. If you really don't like blue, and I don't know you in person, then this slime is out of the box for you. I'm so sorry. I'll do another slime giveaway that's not for people I know. And yeah. You guys really like slime giveaways. So, throw that up. That's what it looks like. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. It's a nice color. And I will announce the winner at the end. That's nice, guys. Okay. Next, you're going to add scent. Add a lot because you end up needing a lot. And then you're going to add your lotion. And then you're gonna mix that. Sorry, my dad's right there. Here's what it looks like. And it smells pretty good. Add contact lens solution. My bottle went up. Yeah, I'm gonna go get more. I got some more contact lens solution from my bathroom. Because I keep it in my bathroom. Anyways. So, you're gonna keep mixing this. Okay, now you're gonna add a pinch of baking soda. I'm just gonna add 2 pinches because I want this slime to be really good, especially since I'm giving it away. Just keep mixing and I'll be back when I'm done mixing. Okay guys, I added more contact lens solution and it's not sticking. So I'm going to go in with my hands and yeah, try to get this slime pretty good here. I have to get it off the sticky sides as well. We're adding some more. Good thing I have glasses because otherwise that would have got in my eye. Because I squirted it so much. Okay, we should probably be done with the contact lens solution. Although I'm probably going to need it in like 2 minutes. Okay. I have video space up to 38 minutes and 2 seconds. So, and we're at 7 minutes and 7 seconds. 7 minutes and 8 seconds. Or 7 minutes and 13, 14, 15, 16. Some things. Oh, I got contact lens solution on my camera. Contact lens solutions just pouring out. Okay. I'm going to put my bowl down on the ground. Because my dog's not inside, so I can do whatever I want. If you guys don't know, my dog's name is Pepper. And I have a cat named George. And I'm getting a goat, and I don't know what to name it. So comment down below what I should name my goat and my sheep. And I'm not showing pigs, so this year... Actually, I might show pigs. I don't know, but I don't name my pigs. Oh, yes, this is nice. The scent went away. Problem is with the scent, it always goes away, but this is nice slime. And guys, if I record on my YouTube channel, I get a phone. So, I've been like posting videos. I just posted a video and yeah, so now I'm already posting another one. And I thought this would be a really fun idea, so yeah. And on my phone, I'm going to be filming, I film on my iPad right now, but on my phone, I'm going to have a gymnastics channel with my friend. So, guess if you can guess that friend. It starts with a D. This slime, this is nice. It just needs a little bit more lotion, I feel like. And I'm going to have a slime video, like poking video. Here, I don't want my hair to get stuck. It still doesn't smell. You got to add a lot of scent. I use perfume, guys. Just if you want to know. Oh, now it's starting to smell good. Sorry, whoever receives this slime, if it doesn't smell very good. Guys, this is good. So listen to the poking sound. I hope you like this color. It needs some more lotion. Because if it doesn't make a bubble, that means it needs lotion. And it's not making a bubble, so we're going to add some lotion. That was weird. Guys, if you don't have access to baking soda or a contact lens solution, you can use Stay Flow too, which is liquid starch. And if you don't have access to that, you can use borax solution. And I'm gonna try in a slime, like contact lens solution be the water, and like the baking soda be like the borax for pretend. And then I'm gonna like mix it and see if that works. Okay, so this slime, I'm gonna split in half. So I'm gonna make it super big. I'm giving my subscriber the bigger half. Actually, I don't need very much of this. So here's the thing that goes to my subscriber. And this is the little bit I get. Okay, that's good. She still gets more. I get a tiny bit. So my slime, I'm going to put in a bin. And then my subscriber slime, I'm going to put in a different bin, and I'll be back. I didn't find a container for my slime, but I'll use like one of my nice containers at home for my slime that were like expensive. I don't want to get it stuck. Okay. I was about to say her name. This is the container I'm using. It's a nice Sterlite container. And if you bring this home, since I know you in person, you should probably give me back my container because these are nice containers. I couldn't find any other one that wasn't dirty. So, if you have a container at home, can you please put your slime in that and then return the container? I don't want to announce the winner. I feel like everyone's going to unsubscribe if they don't win. I feel so bad. Carly Brunel Ambiel, you were not the winner, but you won my last giveaway. So I'm going to give you this half, I decided. And I will get you your regular slime as well. So you win this. And I will get you a container for that. And then the winner is Allie Langrud. I promised her I would make her slime. And this is your slime. Congratulations. Super nice. So yeah, you win this. Congratulations. And then Carly Brunel Ambiel, you win this because I didn't get you your fluffy slime yet. By the way, the thing I gave you for your birthday, that slime was your regular slime. Now I'm gonna get you a plastic bag because I have no other containers. I'm so sorry. Congratulations, those two winners. And I do drawings with my pineapple phone. That was really weird, my pineapple card. And, yeah. Here's your slime. Here's Allie Langrud's slime. I might put her slime in a plastic bag instead. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. Comment down below, hashtag Pineapple Squad, or comment down below, hashtag Unicorn Squad, or comment down below, hashtag Fam Squad, if you came from my Alex and Family channel. Bye guys.